Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can align text left, right and center in Microsoft Word. So to start we are going to highlight the text that we are going to apply the style to, and then we are going to click on the home tab, and then we are going to come over to the paragraph menu, and then we look for aligned left and we click it. And we can also press the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl L, and then the second text we are going to highlight it, and then we are going to come over to the center aligned and click on it. Or we can also press Ctrl E, and then we are going to highlight the third text, and then we click on the right align like this, or we can also press Ctrl R. So that is how we can align our text left, right and center in Microsoft Word. So thank you very much.